Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And I just want to apologise that I've not brought a tutorial to my channel recently. The reason being is I'm actually working on a Easter project and it's taking a little while to make up and do the video and everything. So I'm hoping that will be up at the weekend. I can't promise, but we'll see. But I thought I'd give you a quick sneak peek, and I don't want to show too much, so okay, there we go, that's all you're going to see. And it's actually made out of a Easter gift bag, so keep your eyes open for that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So today's video, I thought I would come on and show you the new magazine that's out of the Die Cutting Essentials magazine, and this is issue 100, so they're celebrating their 100th anniversary. So I thought I would share this with you. As always, links for the magazine are down below, but you can also purchase them from your local supermarkets. So in this magazine you get free a die set, and you get birthday, wishes and celebrate sentiments die set, and the largest die is 7 centimeters by 3 centimeters, so that's a really nice little set. Then you also get an extra die, and it's this beautiful butterfly, and this is what it looks like when it's cut out. And on the back here it shows the papers that you can download off Craft World, and aren't they beautiful? And you can download some toppers as well. Love this one, so I'm going to be downloading that and printing them off, so you get that with the magazine. So let's get on and have a look. I haven't actually had a look at this yet, so this is the first time I'm looking with you guys. So let's have a look. I'm loving this, and we've also got some of the this is the SCANDI Dreams collection from Simply Made Crafts. If you're new to my channel, I'm the design team member for Helen Griffin for Simply Made Crafts. So it's have the die cutting hints and tips here to help you if you're struggling with that. We have the what's new page, and then we have the gorgeous samples from Chloe, who is Chloe's Creative Cards, and these dies are designed by Chloe. So we have some of her beautiful samples here. Then we have these, that's pretty, that's very nice, that's me. Then we have some floral cards here. Then we've got the page that tells you about the Craft Stash VIP. Then we have some projects from the Card Maker of the Year 2023, and these are the past winners. So look how gorgeous that box is, very pretty. And then we've got Ways with Words. Ooh, I like these cards. These are by Heather Hoffman, I think that's how you say it. So this is Heather here, but look how stunning these cards are, very elegant. This one is my favorite. Oh, and that one's pretty. Oh, that one's nice. They're all gorgeous. Then we have the Birthday Bonanza, and we have some more samples using that butterfly die and the sentiments dies. Now this is what I was looking for, because I saw this on the front cover. How beautiful are these? So these are the Tonic Studios design team share 5 inventive ways to use one versatile die set. These are gorgeous, and look at them. I love to make 3D projects, So this is an interview with Chloe. And then we got Helen Griffin's SCANDI Dreams collection here, and she's got some of her beautiful samples. If you haven't seen this collection, then you can go and check out my YouTube channel and see my design team projects that I made using this collection, and also go and check Helen's YouTube out as well. I'll leave that link in the description bar as well. Some cards here for teachers, because that will be around soon, starting another new year at school again. Okay guys, that's this issue. I'm a bit late for this one because the new one's out on the 23rd of March, but yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed looking through this magazine. Again, links in the video description bar below, and keep an eye out for that tutorial very soon that's coming up on my channel. And yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.